Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into the exciting world of collaborations and how they can help you expand your reach and audience. Think of it like this. You've built this awesome community, right? But there are tons of other people out there who haven't discovered you, yet collaborations are like these secret doorways to unlock those new viewers and make your channel explode. We're going to break down some killer collaboration strategies that are going to blow your mind. We're talking guest appearances, social media takeovers, the whole 9 yards. So buckle up because this is about to get wild. First up, let's talk about the bread and butter of collaborations, guest posts, joint videos, and co-hosted events. Imagine this. You're creating awesome content with another creator who has a similar audience. Boom! You're instantly tapping into their viewers and they're getting introduced to yours. It's like a win-win explosion of awesomeness. Think about a hilarious collab with a comedian, or a mind-blowing gaming session with a pro gamer. But it doesn't stop there. Co-hosting events, whether they're online or in person, can take your collaborations to a whole new level. Imagine meeting your viewers face-to-face at a meet and greet, or hosting a live quanda with another creator. The possibilities are endless. The key here is to find creators who align with your brand and who share a similar target audience. Remember, the goal is to create epic content that leaves everyone wanting more. Next up, let's talk about shoutouts and social media takeovers. These are like mini explosions of attention that can send your engagement through the roof. Imagine another creator shouting you out to their massive following. Suddenly, thousands of new eyes are on your content, eager to see what you're all about. It's like a free ticket to the front page. And speaking of takeovers, imagine getting to control another creator's social media for a day. You can share your story, connect with their audience, and drive traffic back to your own channels. But here's the deal. Shoutouts and takeovers work best when there's genuine mutual respect and a shared audience. Don't just reach out to anyone with a big following. Find creators who you genuinely admire and whose audience aligns with yours. Remember, authenticity is key. When you're genuinely excited about another creator's work, it shows, and your audience will be more likely to check them out too. All right, let's talk about the art of the pitch. When you're reaching out to potential collaborators, it's crucial to highlight the benefits for both parties. Remember, collaboration is a two-way street. Instead of just focusing on what you'll get out of it, emphasize how the collaboration will benefit them as well. Think about it. Why should they collaborate with you? What do you bring to the table? Maybe you have a unique skill set, a dedicated audience, or a fresh perspective that can add value to their content. Don't be afraid to toot your own horn a little bit. By showcasing the mutual benefits, you're showing potential collaborators that you're serious about creating a win-win partnership. It's all about finding that sweet spot where both of your goals align. Now let's talk about sealing the deal. Once you've got a potential collaborator on board, it's time to get specific about the project and timeline. This is where things go from maybe to let's do this. Start by outlining your collaboration idea in detail. What type of content will you create? What platforms will you promote it on? Who's responsible for what? The more detailed you are, the better. Next, create a realistic timeline for the project. When do you need things from each other? When will you launch the collaboration? Having a clear timeline will keep everyone on track and ensure that the project gets completed on time. Remember, communication is key throughout the entire process. Keep your collaborator in the loop, be responsive to their feedback, and make sure everyone's on the same page. So, there you have it. You've got the knowledge, you've got the tools, and now it's time to take action. Don't be afraid to reach out to other creators. Even if you're just starting out, the power of collaboration is just a message away. Remember, the worst thing that can happen is that someone says no. And even then, you can always learn from the experience and improve your pitch for next time. The more you put yourself out there, the more opportunities will come your way. So what are you waiting for? Start brainstorming some epic collaboration ideas and reach out to those dream collaborators. The world of content creation is yours for the taking. Now go out there and make some magic happen. Thanks for watching. If you found these tips helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And remember, the power of collaboration is just a message away. Happy collaborating. Seriously guys, collaborations have been a game changer for my channel. They've helped me reach millions of new people, create some of my best content, and build incredible relationships along the way. So don't be afraid to put yourself out there and connect with other creators. You never know what amazing opportunities might come your way. Until next time, stay awesome.